In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted chats on Instagram, what you need to do is to open the Instagram application, click on your profiles icon, then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and click on your activity. Now scroll down and click on this download your information option. Click on request a download. Select your Instagram account and click on next. Now click on the second option that says select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted messages, therefore select this messages option and click on next and then click on the submit request option. After you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted messages on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted chats on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.